I was always impressed by strength, by power, and by performance. And, you know, even though I am a bodybuilder, the intent was always to be strong. Even before I started bodybuilding, I went to the gym to be strong. And it was only once my body started changing because of the weights that I decided to go down the avenue of bodybuilding. I take it very personally being strong. You know, I think the majority of my friends and my followers support me because they like what I do. And a big part of what I do is lift big weights. And it wouldn't be the same without it. And I would much rather be the person who looks strong and is strong than just the person that looks strong. You know, I think after bodybuilding, once I'm done with that, I'll always be into my powerlifting. I'll always be into correct form. I'll always be into my squat, my dead and my bench. And it'll never leave me. It's embedded in the soul. I can't not train heavy. It is what I am. It is why I am where I am today. And I think many people out there don't have the genetics to just simply go to the gym and do fluff workouts. I'm certainly not one of them people. I certainly have to work hard and I certainly have to kick my ass. So, you know, for me, good form, good execution and big weights, that's why I am where I am today.
Every single time we squat, every single time, it never gets any less scary. The fear is there. The nerves, fucking raging. But it's good. Because that's the shit, that's the fight or flight. If you're not in the fight or flight, how are you going to give it your all? You literally got to be die or do, and you got to fucking do, seriously.
Done that for a long time.
750, double. Do what makes you comfortable. Do what makes you feel secure. Make sure you don't rush the weight up. You don't lift too fast. Lift with control, lift with good form. And guys, most of all, make sure you're intense. Make sure you have a good training partner who can spot you for the heavy sets, which I have. And just make sure that you go balls to the wall. Once you've got those things in place, you're going to see massive, massive progress. So don't be scared of the weights, don't be scared of them at all. Respect them, but don't be scared of them. Attack them. And that's what we do.
Come on.
All right, so end of January, February's about to hit us. Off season's well underway. 283 pounds at the minute. Likely the leanest I've ever been at this weight. Likely the strongest I've ever been at this weight. And this is the most consistent I've ever been. We will be competing this year. Show hasn't been picked because the progress is still occurring. And I'd never want to sell myself short of any progress that I can get. So I'm not going to cut short the off season anytime soon. And when I pick a show, you guys will be the first to know. It's all about picking the right show, guys. It's all good to say to yourself, I want to do this one because it's soon or it's convenient, it's nearby. But at the end of the day, you've got to bring your best package. And I'm not going to step on that stage until I know I'm in the best position. Okay, so if you see me on stage, it's probably going to be the later half of 2019. And until then, keep up with what I'm doing. Guarantee I'm going to be in the gym training hard like I have today. It's just another day. It's another pound of muscle, guys. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for today. I just want to say a massive thank you to Kris and KAGED Muscle for everything they've done for me and everything they do. Great people, great team to be a part of. And guys, keep following KAGED Muscle. Always putting out great content. Always giving you guys really good information about good products, good training. And what can I say? Just stay with them, stay subscribed to the channel and enjoy the video content. I'm Hollingshead and this is Leg Day.